So this is drafting 2. We are currently drawing 3D houses. We're rendering pictures onto our 3D houses that we've drawn to make them look like actual houses. We use AutoCAD 2022. It's got allows us to draw a lot of things. We can draw 3D, we can draw house plans, really just draw whatever you want. It's a wide range of drawing capabilities. This class leads into a lot of careers, really. Engineering, there's drafting you can go do. Some people from Ashley came in recently saying they wanted drafting people to draw plans because they were in such shortage. Drafting just goes into a wide range of things you can do, and it pays good too. It's a really good career path to take.
It's structured like a workplace. When we come in the morning, we're expected to get on the computers, get on boards, whatever we're doing, and produce work. We don't have much homework in this class since our equipment is at school and it's kind of large, so you can't really take it home. This class, we have a state competition at Skills USA. When we go down there, we are expected to produce a set of house plans, which would be the floor plan, foundation plan, the roof. We would produce sectionals of the foundation. It would be pretty much what you would need to hand a contractor and tell him to build a house.
Coming up in the spring, we have our Autodesk certification test that will go over everything we've learned the past 2 years in drafting 1 and 2. The next few years, they'll be offering drafting as a dual credit with Northeast, and they'll offer it as a buy. So if you take this class, you won't have to take it in college.
We start off on the board in this class, and the board is the first step to drafting. Most people don't use the board now because it's all on the computer, and the computer is what we graduate to after the board. The computer is my favorite basically because we have an undo button and you can copy stuff instead of having to draw every little thing.